Okay, so if we have the equation like that, uh, so the first so the first act that we have to do is to break up at least for one variable, and we're gonna choose 3 and 18 because that's gonna be more easy to us. So we have here regular 18y. Let's say plus 18y with minus 3y. Let's say regular 18y with negative 3y. Okay, so if we have if we have the such equation like that, so we have to copy just one of that, and the other equation we have to solve. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to break up with one variable by getting to 0. And how we get into home? I have to multiply negative 3 with 6 to get negative 18 to get O. So to get 0, I have to multiply the downstairs equation with 6. Like that. So the upstairs I just gonna make a regular copy, and that's gonna be 7x plus 18y equal to 1, and negative 4x minus 3y equal to 14. Okay, so here we're gonna have 7x and negative 4x equal to 6. That's gonna be 24. That's gonna be negative 24x. Seven x plus 18y, and negative 2y equal to 6. That's gonna be negative 18y. One, and just final, the last active in these steps is to multiply 14 with 6. Now I think that 14 multiplied with 6, that's gonna be 84. So I write here 84. Now, I just would like to make sure that I not made a mistake, so I'm gonna use the Casio machine, and that's gonna be 14 equal to 6. 14 multiplied with 6 equal to 84. Yes, I was right. Okay, so regular 7, let's say 7x uh, minus, let's say that plus 7x minus with 24x, that's going to be negative 17, but it's not, it's going to be too uh, more necessary to use the Casio machine. So negative 24 plus 7, it's negative 17. So here I'm gonna spell 17x equal to 0 equal to 85. Okay, so now we gotta solve the x. Now we're gonna solve the variable of x. So x equal to what equal to, okay, so x equal to devise the number to see what it is. So we have downstairs negative 17 and upstairs we have 85. Now I think that 85 to divide with negative 17, that's going to be negative 5. But before I write this, I just would like to make sure that I'm not getting wrong. So what I'm going to do is 85 divides with negative 17 equal to negative 5. Okay, so that was the way how I will solve the variable of x. Now let's solve the variable of y. So, if x is equal to negative 5, so negative 5 to multiply with negative 4x, that's going to be 20x. I just remind you that if I get a multiplied negative number with another negative number, that's gonna give us plus, because it doesn't matter to divide negative with negative, it's plus. In the same way, to multiply negative with negative, it's plus. So here we have 20. I just gonna spell here 20 minus 3y equal to 14. Okay, now I remind you that if I switch the space for the number, they get it to change. For example, here we have plus 20. Now that if I gonna write this after the equation, that's gonna be a negative 20. For example, if that was a negative 20 and I was write it after the equation, so that's going to be a regular, that's going to be a plus 20. So here we have a negative 20. I remind you that that was switch is space. Okay, so plus 14 minus 20 equal to negative 3y. So now we have to divide some number with y to solve the variable of y. So y equal to divide. Okay. So y equal to so y divides to y equal to negative 3, and what we're gonna do is negative 6 divides with negative 3. I just see if 6 is the correct answer when, I gonna spell here plus 14 with negative 20 equal to negative 6. So now I think that negative 6 divides with negative 3, that's going to be 2. I remind you, regular 2, because we divide negative with negative, so that's going to be a plus. But we don't have to write a plus. This is very clearly to us that plus or without, it's all be regular. So negative 6 equal to negative 3 equal to 2. Oh, equal to regular 2. So y equal to 2. Now, the first thing after we finish to solve this equation is to write them. For example, if we was in a testing, that's not gonna be necessary if we forgot to write it. So we're gonna write negative 5 and 2. In all the equation, the first of all, we write the slowing of x, and then and only then we we give a space to y. Now it's very important to make this a squirrel. And the last thing, is to use the Casio machine again, just to make sure that, we not made any mistakes. So 7x multiplied to 5, 7x multiplied to 5 plus 18 multiplied to 2. I'm sorry, negative 5. Okay, so that's gonna be, I'm gonna write it again. 7x multiplied to negative 5 plus 18 multiplied to 2. That I have to give as number 1. Let's see. Yes, I was correct. This is number 1. And now, just with the adjustments, not to make sure 100%, but also 200%. So we're gonna also test the downstairs equation. So negative 4x equal to negative 5 and minus 3y equal to 2, that have to give us a 14. Let's see. Yes, I was correct. There is 14, and that is the way how we solve this equation. In the algebra with two variables.